So this one is going to get a new bedside. So I am down here in our aluminum shop, and I have the bed off of one of the newer F-150s, the aluminum bodied ones. This one got hit in this right rear corner, and it ripped this bedside wide open right here. Aluminum is definitely not as forgiving as steel when it comes to damage, and then this brace inside of here is also ripped up. So this one is going to get a new bedside, which I have the new side right here, as well as I'm going to replace that outer brace, which I have right here. Goes something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this one apart, get this bedside cut off, then I will get that brace cut off as well. This has some adhesive right throughout this area, so I'm going to warm this up to release that adhesive. So I have this bedside all fit together. My gaps look nice and even. So it's fitting up good. I'm going to go ahead and drill my holes where I have some blind rivets and get this one taken off, get my panel bond laid out, and get it put on permanently.